Life is like a river, and we are the ones who are rafting on it, with a number of other people.
Okay, everybody look here. Bola Ganga Maiya ki jai.
The beauty of life lies in its unpredictability. At one moment, we are complaining about its monotony, and boom, it throws all kinds of ups and downs. Just like these rapids. Some are small, some are big. At some, we don't even know where the life is taking us. But no matter what, we should always believe on happy endings. Because it keeps us going and teaches to take joy even when we are falling. And that everything happens for a reason. Life is dead when we are dead serious about each and everything and overuse our tiny little brains. Possibilities are infinite, so just believe. It is important to understand that there is something eternal, bigger than all of us. Sometimes we need to go with the flow and just let go. But never let go of the people around us. Face it, one cannot pedal the boat all alone. We need them and they need us. Outside is ever changing, but what's inside is not and never should be. Sooner or later, the end will come. And what will go with us are these memories, the good ones and the bad too. So, just live and let live because life is beautiful.